We're gonna be playing Smash Bros! Because I don't like any other game nearly as much as I do this game right now. So we're playing Donkey Kong, who is fifth from bottom tier. But I like that he's jacked! Look at those muscles. Oh yeah. Ooh. Good thing he doesn't know what he's doing. Oh, that was nice. He had a back air and then he got away from my shield. Double back air, up air, nair. And I'm just dash attacking because his are weird. There's the cape. Don't want to get hit by that. Obs. Someone's out there like, I would love to get hit by the cape. Someday the spacing on my down airs will be any good. He's not like Bowser where he just goes straight down and you don't need to space it at all. Oh yeah. Oh. See, Mario and Donkey Kong have pretty much the same forward air, and it comes out so late. And he actually knows combos. I don't like that. Oh yeah. This is the best kind of entertainment I can provide for either of us. I'm sorry, but it's a great game. Oh, that was cool that he used the fireball on the platform. Stop! Oh no, not the parry. He's out here parrying some forward airs. So I just found out that you can C-stick from guarding into a grab. By accident, just there. Oh, did I footstool him? That's awesome. No. Okay. It's better to use your nairs and your up airs, and not your forward airs like every other character. Unless you know that the timing will be better. That should have been a downer. His forward tilt's got so much range. Is there any other character that has as much range in their forward tilts? I don't see this one working out well for me. But let's do it. He's gonna... What? Oh, I forgot to disconnect my laptop Wi-Fi. So by Mario Kart terms, Donkey Kong is like in terms of their learning curve, Donkey Kong is like a high acceleration, low top speed. Because he's easy to use, but really hard to win with. Oh, are we on score? Because there's no stocks. So this is going to be another minute and a half, definitely. No! Like, Donkey Kong's just really challenging to get hits in with. Especially when you got this guy throwing his boomerangs around. So don't go thinking, yeah, I'm gonna make a bottom tier character my main. Jeez! Oh, I can do that, I guess. Like, every one of his hits comes out way faster than mine. But, gotta do the most. Gotta do what I can do. The back air combos into a forward tilt. See, I attacked before he did, but his hit before mine did. Thanks for watching this catastrophe. I don't think I'll be using him again.